What's up, you guys? It's your boy Tyler, and it's been a while. I'm back. What's up, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat? I don't know where you guys are watching from, but thank you for joining in. It's been a while since I did a video, and why not do a video about Aganu'u Fa'aSamoa 101? So this video is going to be about basically my review on this whole program. So just a bit, information here of what Aganu'u Fa'aSamoa 101 is. So basically it's just a program to keep the Samoan culture alive. I first heard about this program from my brother Holly, who definitely was the voice of Seattle. When he went to Sydney and did the class, he was like, yo, I'm gonna need y'all to come to America. And how blessed are we to be the first American class here in Seattle and Tacoma, bruh. Now, unfortunately, I didn't take the class because it did not work with my work schedule, so I was just a side volunteer. So the Aganu'u Fa'aSamoa 101 class, it was just for 1 week, 7 days. What will you? This class was definitely needed here in Seattle and Tacoma. Definitely want to make a shout out to Tenwai and also Apunu and the whole crew for making time to leave their home country in Auckland, New Zealand, and to come here in the States. You guys have no idea how much of an impact you put in our young people. And I thank you guys so much for coming all this way to America to teach the Fa'aSamoa way. It taught me so much about our culture, of how far we came as people. It doesn't matter if you're from Samoa, America Samoa, no, we all the same. We're all Samoans. It taught me how to appreciate our grandparents who paved the way to come to America or go to New Zealand or to Australia for a better life for their kids. And honestly, I got a little emotional a little bit. I was thinking about my ancestors, my grandparents, my great-grandparents, my great-great-grandparents. I am so blessed beyond measures right now. In English, it means no matter where the toloa bird goes, it will always come back home. It's a Samoan proverb who basically means that no matter how far you go in life, in America, or whatever you're trying to do in life, you will always remember where you come from. If you grow up to be a lawyer, a policeman, a congressman, a teacher, whatever, a singer, always remember where you come from. So if this program is coming to an area near you, please take it. And that's it for tonight. I really want to thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys.